Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this foldable treadmill, walking pad and treadmill that this man sent to me for the video. I have a few things. I actually have more than a few things that I like about this one. So the number one, I'm going to show everything to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the number one thing that I like about this one is you can actually use it as a treadmill, like here, as you can see, or you can fold this one down. It's going to be super easy. It comes with two locks right here. Fold it down and use it as a walking pad. So you can actually put this one in storage mode and put it kind of like underneath your desk, underneath your sofa, underneath your bed. So that's kind of like good as a space saver. The other good thing about this one that I like is that supports 300 pounds. I don't need those 300 pounds, but to me that one translates into power, meaning that the motor on this one is actually powerful, but it's also quiet. This one ranges from, listen me up because I think it's crazy, ranges from 0.6 miles per hour to 6.2 miles per hour. So you can actually walk, fast, you can actually run, and you can actually run super fast. So that's actually quite good. I want to actually take you on a close-up now. So as I was telling you before, a couple of things that I like about this one. Number one, it comes with this one right here, this thread right here that's going to actually be good to put in your clothes, for example, to clip it on your clothes. This is the one that you need to actually make sure that this thing is going to work, because if without this one, it's not going to actually even turn on. So you clip this in your clothes, and in case that something happens and you fall or something like that, this thing will stop automatically. So it's actually pretty good. It also comes with this stand right here that comes with this silicone pad. So you can actually put your tablet over here. And by the way, this one, talking about the tablet, I can't show you the app right now because I'm using my phone, but you can actually put the app on a tablet or on your phone and put it right here. And the app actually has a competition mode, so you can actually compete with some friends, some family, or some other users. But that actually app is really good. It's super easy to download. It comes with a QR code either in the instruction manuals right here or the actual treadmill. So you can download it super fast. You're not going to have any issues. But the best thing about this one, that comes with a remote controller. So you can actually operate this while walking using this if you want, using the touch panel over here if you want, or using the remote control. And the touch panel is going to show you right here. As you can see in the touch panel, you can actually touch this one to use the 2 miles per hour or the 4 miles per hour, start, stop, and turn it on and on. You can actually use programs as well and set up the speed up, down, and up as well with the touch panel or the remote controller. The only thing that I would say that is not super good about this one is that the cable is not really long. So you need to have a power outlet near this one. But then once you're done, and by the way, actually this one also comes with an incline, so you can put it in an incline mode. But once you're done, you could just like hit play right here. It comes with a kind of like a countdown. And then you can actually put this, if you don't want to use the app, you can put kind of like a virtual run right here on your TV or your computer or something like that. And just with the remote controller, set up the speed a little bit up. So we're going to put it in 2.5 right now. So this is kind of like a really nice fast-paced walking speed, I think. So just like do some really good cardio. So the 2.5 is going to be good for that. Or we can set it up to, let's actually ramp it up a little bit more to 3.5. This is a faster one, even faster than before, like walking even faster than before. Or we can set it up, wait a minute for this one. Let's actually put it up in 5. So you can actually start running a little bit with that virtual run with the app or the actual computer or the monitor. And actually, if you want to stop, you just hit stop right here with the remote controller, and it goes to a countdown. Super nice and easy. You start like chilling out a little bit, and it stops all over, so you can slow your pace, and that's it. So that's actually quite good. I have to say that this one is very kind of versatile, complete, and it's gonna take you on a really nice cardio workout session. But then with remote controller, we're gonna put it at 6.2. That's 3. That is almost 6, and that's 6.2 miles per hour. That's a super fast run. So you can actually see that this one is going super fast. Now I'm not going to be running in 6.2 because I don't know if I can do it, but yeah, that's a fast 6.2 miles per hour. I just hit stop. So this one is going to be kind of like going down, super nice and easy. I like it. Supports 300 pounds. It comes with this foldable feature, the stand for your tablet, the touch panel, the remote controller, the incline, and supports the 300 pounds. I think I like it. I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.